guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to download what is that? Oh yeah, before animator. Before that I did that first. Oh shoot, I don't have any. I okay, forget. I don't use my. I don't use a mouse. First you go to Google. Listen, Google. Click Google.com. Sorry, what shit. Click the Google.com and then type and, and click enter. Okay. Put anime. Enter and click on uh this. Okay, don't like this. Okay, it must be correct. Correct. Download. That's it. Okay. Download this and don't download this because this not this. Okay, download this. Don't download this because this not this. Forget about that. I'm not good in English. And click download pivot. I'll skip it. Okay, if it finished, just click open. Open. Okay, sorry, I'm sick. I just click run. I just click yes. Yes. Next. Accept. Oh, shoot. And the pivot elevator. Okay, just close this. It's not anymore. Okay, I click finish, guys. That's a pivot elevator. Yeah. Click finish. And list this. This connect it. Close, and then you have the pivot animator one. Okay, sorry, it's so hard. This is not use a mouse. Shit. Okay. Okay, see like this. Okay. Let's play it. Ooh. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy camping and stay awesome. Bye bye. Woo! Wait, what? Bye bye. Hey, bye bye.